रचन बच्चे सुगर इंटरनेट ब्लूटूथ ऑफ करें। माताजी ऑन योर वीडियो। नहीं
Okay. Go. Join.
Sound.
Can you?
First, I will put this.
Sound is coming. No?
Nope, it's not. Okay.
से कौन लोग करिवो? हाँ ठीक है. Sound is coming. No, it's okay. Why you turn off? Why you turn off?
I can't hear. Mataji on your video. Mataji, happiness. Akka,
Also den Anzug gerade irgendwie zum Trocknen hinlegen, das ist so feucht geworden von ihm, weil es schon wieder durchnässt war irgendwie.
Kann der Wäsche?
Ja.
Put your pants on top. You can keep it over there.
Then put the star back. I know how to do that. That's why this supports me. Hari Om Mataji.
ब्रजेश हे बघ किती लहान लहान मुलं योगा हे बघ You all can switch on your cameras.
Hello, ma'am.
Mataji,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Everyone is ready?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna,
Ma'am, I
Krishna.
just joined now. What should we do?
Who is speaking there?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So all of you children, please switch on your cameras so that I can see you in your poses. Please put your camera.
Focus on one thing.
Waiting for more people to put on their cameras.
Is what? Which have changed it to what teacher, how teacher is doing. Huh? Change the camera.
Ma'am, should we sit in Padmasana?
Good question. So shall we start a class and enter a password for the class? So who will start the class today? You all are experienced yogis now.
Ma'am,
So
I know some yoga.
class, and you have to give all the instructions. You have to tell everyone to sit straight. They have to relax. So who will do it today? Let me choose.
I'm not got a chance.
What, Prisha?
Can I try?
So today Prisha will try, and tomorrow and Samhita will end the class today, and Prisha will start the class. Okay, everyone? So Prisha, give us all the instructions on how to sit, how to open the class with our password.
Sitting Padmasana, also called as lotus pose. Then you relax your shoulders and you chant Omkar 3 times with your binoculars. Om.
Everyone together now with Prisha. Do we open our eyes, Prisha, now?
Yeah.
Okay. So rub your hands. Create some nice warmth between your palms. Energize yourself by rubbing your hands together. Make a nice big energy ball. My energy ball is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. How about yours? Rub more if you want to make a bigger ball.
And I got it so tiny.
Mine is so big now.
Are you supposed to do it?
And I'm going to send this nice energy ball by putting into it all the positivity, health, good vibrations, good thoughts, kind thoughts. And I'm going to put this energy ball out in the world. So hold up your energy ball, everyone. And let's put it out in the world. Very nice. Thank you so much for your act of kindness today. Okay. So before we start with some warm-ups, I have some questions today for you. So I want to know from you something about the tree. Do you think tree is your friend?
Yes, it is. It helps us from the rain, and it also helps us cover stuff. Like if it's lightning, you will be protected with the tree. And also it gives us oxygen and gives us life on earth. It is our friend.
It is our friend, right, Anya?
Right? It helps us get furniture. Mataji, get paper. It gives oxygen and it also gives us life on earth.
Oxygen, life on earth. What else it gives us?
Because of the trees only we are living on earth, or else we would not survive.
Ma'am,
Yes,
we get fruits, vegetable, leaves and etc. from the tree.
Yes, we get so many fruits, also some flowers sometimes, right? So, so much we are getting from the tree, isn't it? So what do we learn from these trees? Do we learn something from these trees, or do we just take everything from these trees?
No, tree is sharing, like that we have to also share.
You should be very sharing and caring. You should help.
We should help.
You should give everyone your things.
We should give everyone your things. Amazing.
You should share.
We should share, right? You all agree? So much we learn from the tree, right? So let's say thank you to the tree today by doing some tree warm-up. Okay, so we will thank the tree in a yogic way by doing some tree warm-ups. Are you ready?
Yes.
So
Mataji, can we make some pizza today? Can we make some pizza today?
Pizza? Okay, so after we thank a tree, we will make a pizza. Okay?
Okay. We had once made a pizza.
Yeah. So we will make again, maybe.
Can we make a sandwich?
Okay, let's see how much we can cook today in a class. Ice cream. So many things we can make. But before we do all of this, I want you all to have a nice thank you mood for the tree. Yes? So with the mood in your heart to say a big thank you to a tree, we're going to do some nice tree warm-ups. Okay? So everyone come up in a standing position on your mat.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay? And now you're going to go tall like a tree. Tadasana, the palm tree pose, interlacing your hands together. And in your mind, you say a big thank you to the tree. Even if you want to say it loudly, you can do that. Now stretch your hands up. Lift your heels off the floor. Go tall, go tall. Remember a tree. And breathe out, relax. Very nice. Bring your arms on top of your head. Now again, inhale, go tall, big like a tree. Stretch up, stretch, focus. Be steady like a tree. Say big thank you to the tree. And breathe out. Everyone. Again, breathe in. Go tall. Taller. More. And relax. Very good. And now we will be doing the swaying palm tree, going to the left and right with the wind around. Okay? So now take a distance between your legs. Keep your knees straight throughout the practice. Now interlacing your hands together. Breathe in and stretch your arms up. Straight arms. Very good. Now breathe in. And and breathing out. Go to the left side. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out to the right. Breathe in, back to the center. Breathe in to the left. Very nice, everyone. You're a very flexible tree. And breathe into the center. Breathe out to the right. And breathe into the center. Now the wind has increased its pace, so we have to go super fast here. The swaying palm tree. Now go to the left, and then right, and the left, and then right, and left, and right. Very nice. And the left, and right. Ah, wow. Very nice. Are we still in a thank you mood to the tree? Yes? Remember everything that tree gives us and how it just gives and does not expect anything in return. And now interlacing your hands together. We have one more short tree swinging there, here and there, left and right with the wind. So go forward, bring your arms in line with your ears, forward, and now go to the left and right. 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 Relax. Let's do some twisting tree now. Release your spine. Release all the tension. Loosen up. Just go to the left and right. Try to breathe out when we twist. Very nice, everyone. And now I want you all to bring your palms together in a standing position. Or you can come closer to the screen, whatever you like. And close your eyes. And again, with all your heart, with a big smile on your face, we say a big thank you to the trees.
Thank you.
Thank you, trees, for giving us everything without expecting anything. And let's wish that one day we also become so tolerant, so giving, like a tree. You all want to become like a tree one day?
Yes.
Yes. Always helping, giving, still happy. Very good. Everyone says thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yes, Prisha wants to do a tree pose. Very nice, Prisha. Okay, you know, I have some special challenge for you today. We have a yoga spinner challenge.
Miss, what are we doing? I joined a little late.
Sorry, say again.
Miss, what are we?
I didn't hear you. Anyways.
Miss, I joined a little late. So what are we doing?
We did some poses. We did some warm-ups like a tree and we said big thank you to the tree. Did you say thank you to the tree? Were you there when we said thank you?
I don't know.
No problem. We will do it again some other time. That's okay. Why? Try to join in everybody on time so you don't miss anything that we are doing. Okay.
Yes, I had some other class.
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow you can join in early, right? So, shall we make a pizza or shall we go for yoga spinner?
Yoga spinner.
Yoga spinner.
Yoga spinner.
Spinner.
Very good.
Yoga spinner.
Yoga spinner.
Okay, I got it. Okay, let me explain you what we have to do in yoga spinner. I am going to show you something. I wish you all were here to spin it, but I'm going to spin on everybody's behalf one by one. So now look, I have different yoga cards here of blue color, green color, white color. Maybe we'll skip it because it has some partner poses. So I think you all are there seeing it. But today maybe might as well you can just grab your parents and see if you can still do some partner poses. You can do it along with your parents or your siblings in the house. Then we have some poses in card. So if you get something else, then you can do your favorite pose. But if you get the spinner on some of the color card, then we're going to do that pose. Even if it's difficult, even if it's easy, we're going to do the pose. Okay. I wish you all were here one by one to spin this and choose your card. And then that card becomes yours. But let's play it online now. I'm going to take everybody's name one by one. And on your behalf, I'm going to spin this. And let's see what card we get. Okay, ready everyone?
Yes.
So,
Yes,
I want everybody. So whoever's cameras is on, only they get the chance. Okay, so that I can see everyone doing the pose. So the first person I see on my screen is Samita. So Samita, on your behalf, I'm going to use the spinner. Are you excited and ready for this? How about everybody? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see what pose we get today. Okay, and you take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, I'm going to spin it. So breathe in, breathe out, and let's go. Woo! So we are somewhere on the blue, Samita. So let's see what does the blue card offers us today. Oh, we have some nice poses. So, Samita, I got this card for you. Let's see what pose she has got for us. Are you ready, everyone? Oh, Halasan, the plow pose. Okay, then everyone, let's get on our mats and let's do the Halasan. Come on, everybody, go on a yoga mat. Let's do the yoga spinning challenge. Lift your legs up. Lift your hips up. Take your legs back. Very nice. Hold the position. Stay there, everyone. Hold it. I want to see you all hold it. Very good. You can support your back. Very good try. Okay. And slowly release. Very nice. Okay, yoga spinner. First challenge completed. Ready for the next?
Yeah.
Okay, so next I see on my screen. Whoever I see on my screen one by one, I'm going to cover all of you. Don't worry.
Yes, Madam.
Yes, so your turn also comes. Let's see what card you get. I'm excited about the partner yoga. Let's see, you may have to get your parents today along with you for some partner pose. So now Anya Gulati is next on my screen. So Anya, on your behalf, I'm going to spin this. Take a deep breath in, everyone. It only listens to when you breathe out properly. And breathe out now. And go. Oh. Hey, we got this face, which means you can do your favorite pose. So all of you one by one now can get into your favorite pose. If you want to type it on the screen quickly, what is your favorite pose? You can do that and then do your pose. Or you can just show me your pose on the mat and I'm going to guess it. Okay, Harini says table pose. Ananya, do your favorite pose. Samita's favorite pose is reclining, sleeping butterfly. Okay, Raghav says Vajrasan. Ananya says camel pose. Ananya is doing Ashwa Sanchalan from Surya Namaskar. Karthik always loves to do Vajrasan, I guess. Krisha is doing a snake pose. Yash, I don't see you doing any pose. If you're not sure about the poses, no problem. You can look at the screen and see if you would like to do some pose your friends are doing. Krisha, I see you in Bhujangasan. Harini, that's Chakrasan you are doing. It's not a table pose. Ah, very smart. Anya says Shavasana. That's my favorite pose too, you see. Krishna Priya is doing lion's pose. Krishna Priya, you have to also make a sound like a lion. Very good. Ananya is doing a cat. Prishta is doing a candle. Sarvangasan. Archie is doing Chakrasan. And Raghav is doing Vajrasan. Okay, very good, everyone. Release your poses. Let's go to the next pose. Very nice.
My legs hurt.
Oh, be careful. Do not push yourselves. If any pose does not feel right, just release the pose. Okay? Always do Shavasana if you have any discomfort. Okay? Next I see on my screen is Karthik. Karthik, ready? Okay, so I'm going to spin. So, everyone, take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And here it goes. Again, we have your favorite pose. Okay, so everyone, now choose another pose. You can't repeat the pose. That's a challenge. Okay. Very nice. Anya is doing a nice rocking Pavan Muktasan. Samhita is doing her favorite camel pose. Karthik, which pose are you doing? Padma. Yes, you can do Vajrasan, but make sure you do different poses. Very nice. Yes, you know what I want you all to do now? One more challenge in your favorite pose.
Teacher, I have to leave right now because I have another class.
Oh, okay. So I see you tomorrow, Yash. Okay?
Okay. But I'm Vansh, not Yash.
Oh,
Yash is my brother.
Write your name on the screen.
Okay.
Thank you, Vansh. Okay, so what I want you all to do is, I'm going to give you a challenge now of holding the pose stable for 10 seconds. Are you ready for the favorite pose 10-second challenge, everyone? So now, I give you next few seconds to get into the pose. I want everybody on the mats taking their favorite pose. Come on. And your yoga challenge 10-second time starts now. Come on, everyone. Remain stable. 10, 9, 8. Very nice. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice, everyone. Almost most of you made it.
I fell down.
You fell down, Archie? Never mind. So what do you do when you're not able to hold the pose? You have to focus at one point. You just fix your eye gaze at some point in front of you. It can be any object. It can be some point in the wall. The more you focus at one point, see the magic. You'll be able to hold the pose. So try that next time. Ready? Okay. So now, next I see on my screen is Krishna Priya.
Oh.
Krishna Priya, ready for the
Yeah.
spinner? Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And here we go. And here we go. And here we go. If you get a favorite pose, now enough of favorite poses. We get the blue card again. So I have... you have a yoga card. We have to choose a blue card. The spinner is on the blue color. And oh, we have an amazing new pose today. You already know Vajrasan, all of you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? But we do something new today in Vajrasan. We do a reverse prayer pose in Vajrasan. So while sitting in the Vajrasan, we have to join our palms together and place them on our back. So I want all of you to turn around now so I can see your pose, everyone.
Do we do it like that?
Yeah, I'll just see. No, but we are sitting in Vajrasan and we are joining our palms at the back, not in the front. I'm going to show you all just in case. Oh, most of you are doing it already. So, yes, Prisha, that's correct. Can you all see the pose here? See. Okay. I want you all to join your palms tightly together. I'm saying just your fingertips together and try to remain straight. Okay. Krishna Priya, we have to do this in Vajrasan, not in sleeping pose. Very good, Harini. Very good, Arti. Very good, Rukmini. And Jayanti. I can't see from the back whether it's Rukmini or Jayanti. Very nice, Prisha. Good. Krishna Priya, sit in Vajrasan. Okay, I will show you Vajrasan. Come. Okay, everybody release the pose. Krishna Priya, Vajrasan, you sit like this. Fold your legs in knees. Join your big toes together and then sit on your heels. Got it?
Okay.
We are doing in this position, try to open your chest. Join your palms together. Very good. Open your chest.
Ma'am,
In this position.
that looks a bit tricky.
No, it's not tricky. You may try.
I can't
Very nice. Open your chest. Stretch your shoulders back. Try to join your palms firmly and hold the position for a few seconds. Good try, everyone. Okay, relax. Come on. Let's go for the next pose. Okay. And the next person on my screen is Krisha. So Krisha, are you ready? Let's see what color card you get. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out. And here it goes. Again, I think it's a blue day today. We're getting all the blue color cards today. Okay, then. Let's choose a blue card. I'm getting all the funny poses today, which you like a lot. I got this pose now. You know what this pose is called? Gomukhasan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the shape of our legs looks like a cow's face. So it's called as cow face pose. And then we're going to lock our hands together. This is now really tricky, Krishna Priya. This one is tricky, not the previous one. Okay, so let me show you how to do this pose, everyone. So watch me first, since we are doing this pose for the first time. Okay. So now, let's do step by step. You all follow me together. Now, take a distance between both of your legs, everyone. Okay. Now from here, fold your leg in knee and put your foot inside of your opposite thigh. Now fold your another leg in knee and place the knee over the below knee. The bottom knee and the top knee are somewhere closer now and above each other. You all get that? Let your knee. So when you fold your leg, let your knee point forward. See, my knee is pointing forward towards you. So let your knee point forward.
Do it like this.
Yes, I'm just coming to the screen to check everyone. I'll just show you the final pose. This is a leg position. Now look at that. My leg position looks like a cow's face. So that is why this pose is called as Gomukhasan, the cow face pose. Now the fun part starts here. I'm going to make my both hands meet each other in this pose. So now let's go step by step. Raise your right arm up. Lengthen your spine. Only right arm, only one arm, the right. My left hand is still down. Okay, the right arm up, 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 up. Strengthen, straighten it, go tall. And now hold your right arm. See, my palm is now facing my back. My palm is touching my back. I'm going to show from the other end.
I know this pose. Ma'am, I know this pose.
Very good. Also, that's good. And now, take your other hand from behind and make your hands meet with each other. Say hello and meet. And grab it. And if you're not able to grab, try your best.
Ma'am, I am able to grab. I get my palm fully.
Very good, everyone. It's a good try. Never mind if you don't get it now. I'm sure the more we try, you're going to get it. Now, I want you to change your leg position. The leg which was first up now goes down. And now change the hand. Do it from the other side. Sometimes, you know, if you're not able to grab with one hand, you may be able to do it with the other hand. It's always like that with our bodies. Show me, everyone, this pose. Very good, Krisha. Very good, Krishna Priya. Archie, show me the pose. Yes, Prisha, you're just little there. Oh, yes, you're there. Yes, you're there. Very good. Good. You can also hold your fingers. No problem. Yes, very good, Prisha. You're almost there.
Am I able to do it?
Very good, Harini. Very good, Ananda. Okay, good job, everyone. We're going to practice this pose more next time so you get it.
I know this pose.
Oh.
Miss, I know this person. It's very
Good. Very nice. Okay. Oh, so next I see on my screen is Prisha. Okay. So Prisha, ready?
Prisha is already done.
Prisha done?
No, she's not
Prisha
done.
did not do the spinner. Prisha opened the class.
did.
माधुरी इससे पहले प्रिशा नहीं करा है, अभी प्रिशा नहीं करा था.
Oh, Prisha
I
did
already tried.
Oh, okay. Then I see the next on my screen is Archie. Okay, Archie. Let's ready? Take a deep breath in. Everyone. And breathe out. And let's go. No more favorite poses. Let's choose some card.
No.
Again, favorite pose. Again, blue. What's happening today? We have a blue day. Nobody's getting red card, green card. Everybody's getting blue card.
Can you try green card, please?
Let's see. It's not in my hand. You see, I'm trying. Oh, we have another inversion here. Wow, in Halasan. You all did plow pose, right? So the next pose here is again interesting. It's called Vistrut Pad Halasan, or in simple, it's a nice wide-legged plow, the split plow. So while lying down in a plow pose, we have to separate our legs and grab our big toes and stay there. Wow, the spinner challenge is getting better and better. Are you ready for this pose, everyone?
I can't do it.
Oh, Prisha, you'll be able to do it. For those who find this very difficult, you can try by folding your legs. Then it will be a little easier for you. No problem. It's in a lying down position. I'm going to show you. Wait. Not the head. We don't have to bring the head down. It's not like that. Everyone first go into the plow pose. Halasan. Do you remember that pose?
Yeah.
Let me show you once again. Okay. So let's
I
everyone.
That's all. Now, please, now tell me.
Everybody on the mat. And let's do Halasan. Now from this position, you can take a distance between your legs. Bring your legs apart. See, and I'm holding my big toes. And let me see. Okay, everyone, you're really trying good. Very nice.
I don't have space to spread my legs.
Okay, relax. Yes, you can bend your legs just in case if you find it very troublesome.
Oh, my bed.
Okay, yeah. Very good, everyone. Very good try. Okay,
Not
let's expose.
I'm not getting space.
No problem. It's okay not to get poses. You can always try. The next I see on my screen. Ananya, did you choose the pose already?
No.
Okay, then let's start. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And let's start. Again, the favorite. Today is your favorite day and the blue day. We're not getting any other card. Again, the favorite pose. Again, the favorite pose. Oh, yes. Finally, we have a white card. which means that now you have to find someone in your house and grab them along with you for the yoga. We are going to do some partner pose. So if you have your brother, if you have your sister, you can call somebody and then they can join you for the pose. I'm going to show you which pose we're going to do together. I wish I had somebody too with me so that I can show you the pose, but I will make it very easy. Okay.
Miss, is it okay if I do it alone?
Okay, Archie, you and me, we will do it together on the screen because even I don't have anyone with me right now here. So we will visualize as if we are doing it together. Okay, everyone, this is your partner pose. So you have to sit and then split your legs apart. You have to join the feet with your partner and then do a nice seesaw. Okay, so I'm going to visualize that I'm doing it with Archie because even she's alone there. Okay, so very good, everyone. I'm seeing most of you have found somebody and your parents. Very nice. See, we finally brought your parents for a yoga class. That's a trick. Okay, Archie, let's start together. So imagine I'm holding your hands. Can you feel it? I can feel your little hands. Very nice. And now I'm going to pull you first, so you go forward. Come. And now you pull me, Archie. Oh, wow. That's a strong pull. Again, I pull you. And now you pull me. Oh, wow. Pull me more. Wow. I'm going to pull you now. Super hard. Wait. Very good. And you pull me. And now we're going to go a little faster. Superb. Okay. Thank you, all the partners, for joining us today for a surprise yoga pose that you had to come. Okay, amazing. Archie, did you enjoy it with me?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Okay. Very nice. Okay, let's go for the next pose. Who's there now on my screen? Rukmini and Jayanti. And so you get 2 chances because you are 2 of you, right? So let's see what pose you got. I'm hoping for more white cards so that we can bring your parents and brothers and sisters again for the yoga class. Okay, let's start. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. No more favorite poses, okay?
Yes.
Again, blue card. Okay.
No.
It's a blue day. It's a blue day. Okay. We have this nice. Okay, let's see if we can do this pose. It's called as reclining hero. We sleep in Vajrasan. Supta Vajrasan. Oh, most of you are already there. Ananya is already sleeping happily. So if you got the pose, you can straighten your hands behind, up over your head. Straighten your arms behind. Feel the stretch on the belly region. Feel the opening of the chest. You're going to feel something stretching on your thighs, making your legs very strong here. Very good, everyone. I want to see all of you in the pose. Come on, Anya. Very nice. Amazing. Samhita. Very slowly, you have to go with the support of your elbows and then hands.
Ow, legs hurt.
You're going to feel a strong stretch on your thighs, on your belly, on your chest. Samhita, did you do the pose? You're finding it difficult?
Get out of this pose now.
Okay, very nice, everyone. Come up into the sitting pose
I
again.
can't do this. We can't do this. This pose.
Show me. Can you show me? So
Imagine
for those who are not able to do it, okay, I have an easy variation for those who are not able to do it. Look at the screen now, all of you, and try this easy pose with me. Easy peasy, sleeping Vajrasan. Just go halfway. So what do we do actually? We sit in Vajrasan. So now, I want to tell you one important thing before you go into the pose. You can bring your heels out. You know, I'm sitting on my heel right now, like in Vajrasan. But for the sleeping Vajrasan, look at this position now. I'm going to bring my heel out. Then it becomes very easy. If this is still not possible to go all the way back, just do this pose. Just bring your forearms on the ground and still you get the benefits of this pose.
Mataji, our leg is like the shape of W.
Exactly. Very good observation. The shape of our legs is like a W here. Can you all see that? Very good. Come on, come up. Wow, we are exploring so many new variations today. I am enjoying this. Are you enjoying it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Okay then. Whom do I see next on my screen? Anya, did you choose the pose?
माताजी हमारी 2 बार टर्न थी ना?
Oh yeah. Sorry. Yes, but I can't see you. Where are you? Yeah. Keep your only whose cameras are on, they are getting the chance today. Okay. So Rukmini and Jayanti. So who chose the okay. Now who does? Rukmini or Jayanti? Take a deep breath. Okay. And breathe out. And let's get some red and green now.
Yeah.
Oh, again the favorite. Oh, we're just close to the green.
Yeah.
Finally, we get a green pose. Thank God. Let's try something new now. A new card. Okay. We have been doing this pose and some of you wanted to make some sandwich today. So see what I got in the green pose today. Sandwich pose, the seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana. Now, whoever wanted to make some sandwich, let's make a sandwich now. Wow, I am already feeling hungry now. It's a dinner time. Okay, so let's stretch our legs forward.
In Singapore. It's sleeping time in Singapore now.
Okay, so now I'm going to put some. What are you going to start by putting on your sandwich here on the one side of the leg?
Can I on the flashlight? No.
Come on, everyone.
Butter, some cheese, some onions.
Olive.
Okay, what is
Paneer. Olive.
Okay, let's
Paneer.
cucumbers, paneer. Let's chop.
That's spinach.
I don't know how to make sandwich.
Let's bring
Mataji, cheese.
salt, oregano. Yes.
We forgot to put cheese.
Okay, let's put some olives too. Somebody said olives. Want to put some paneer? Let's put some paneer. Wow, it's getting so tasty. Add some more cheese. Let's grate some more cheese. Cheese. Yes, everyone in for cheese. Let's put some more cheese. And my sandwich is ready to close now. So raise your hands up. And let's go down. Amazing. Go down more. Come on, try to bring your forehead to your knee. Keep breathing. Do not lock your breath when you hold the posture. Now raise your hands up, stretch up, and relax. Very good. See, we do so many things in yoga class. We cook, we eat, we go to jungles, we go to beach. My God, we go on a carpet ride, we spin. Okay, now who do I? Harini, I see you next on my screen. So ready? Please get us some red card now. We have not got red card yet. We've got green finally. No more blues. I'm tired of blue color today. But it's okay. We accept whatever we get, isn't it? Okay. So take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And okay. Okay, good. One more green card. Very nice. So let's see. Where is the green card? And we have a nice child's pose in the green card. Such a relaxing pose. In Vajrasan, you have to bring your forehead down on the ground and just relax in this pose. Very nice pose when you feel tired. Next time when you can do this pose to relax yourself and get back to your studies again. Yes, Archie?
Yes, we are mostly getting all Vajrasan poses only.
See, whatever destiny, luck is giving us today. How interesting. Maybe it's a Vajrasan day, blue day, favorite pose day. Okay, everybody in Vajrasan, and let's do a child's pose.
All day today.
Try to breathe out completely. Relax. Bring your forehead down. Stay there. Hold the pose steady for 10 seconds. I'm going to count for you. Come on, everyone. In your asana, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good, everyone. How did you feel?
Relax.
Relax.
Relax. Relax.
Relax. And something happening here?
No. Yeah.
Yeah. What happens there? The blood, the prana flows there. The energy flows to the upper region. And that's why I feel a little lightheaded, as if, oh, I just woke up from the sleep, something like that. Right? So very nice pose. Do this especially when you are sitting for longer hours on the screen nowadays for your online classes, for your studies. Take a break, do this pose for 10-15 seconds and get back to the screen, right? Okay, shall we explore more poses now? Maybe a couple of more poses and then we go on our carpet.
Yes.
Okay, who else do I see on the screen? I think I'm done with all of you. Samita, did you choose the pose? Yeah, you did, right? Yeah. Ananya, did you choose the pose?
I didn't.
I think we have everybody choosing the pose, right? Karthik, did you choose the pose?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then we are done with the spinner.
I didn't.
Who is that? Anya.
Yes.
Okay, then let's start with Anya.
Yeah,
Take a
already
deep
did.
breath in.
Mama,
And breathe out.
I did.
Oh, you did. So who's left?
The other Anya.
Fine. Yes, other Anya. Okay, for other Anya, let's take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And let's begin. Uh-oh, the favorite pose. And it's your day, guys. You're getting all the favorite poses. Oh, white card. Yes. Pull back your parents again. And we do one more partner pose. Okay, wow. And we have the dancer pose, Natarajasana. Wow, this is going to be fun now for your parents. Okay, so how to do this pose together? Yes, so holding.
Come this way so we can see.
The left hand and lifting the right leg up. So basically the opposite hand, the opposite leg up. So you and your partner, of course, have to be holding the same hands. You and your partner be holding the same hand and lift the leg up. It's the opposite for you, but the same hand for your partner. Oh, Archie has a partner now. Very good. So I'm going to show it on the screen.
Video call it.
Very good.
Yoga pose कर रहे हैं. Yoga pose
For
कर
those
रहे हैं.
who do not have anyone, can also hold the wall or hold the cupboard and do this pose.
It can't be any higher.
Higher. Bend
not that
Wow,
flexible.
I'm liking how you're instructing your parents.
Do like this.
Very nice. Amazing. You all are becoming little teachers, you know, to your parents, teaching them. Very nice. So, okay, let me show you. We have to fold the leg. Okay, now imagine I have a partner with me, right? So now what I'm going to do is, I will ask my partner to bring forward the left hand because even I am using my left hand. Let's do it together now. Okay, so bring your left hand out and let your partner also bring his or her left hand out. Ready? Hold it. And now you have to lift your right leg, you and your partner. You have to lift your right leg up and go forward. Take support of each other. And hold it. And hold it. Very nice. You're really doing nice. Okay, relax and release. Rukmini and Jayanti are dancing and falling. Okay. Come on, sit back on your mats. Okay. Everybody on the mat. And now we're going to do some rounds.
Miss, can we just do just one red pose from your side?
One more red pose. Okay, on whose behalf? On everybody's behalf.
On your behalf.
On my behalf. Okay. Red pose. I'm not seeing the red. Ah, yeah. Here is the red. Oh, okay. And I got the red card here. Oh, I like this pose. The triangle pose. Okay, let's do it then. Everybody come back on your mat. We already know this pose, so we are super confident. But today, let's learn some more.
It looks like a touching him.
So today, we will all be starting this pose together. So everybody join your legs together. Join your legs together. And now, fold your legs in knee. Bring your hands in front of your chest. And jump. Wow. Nice. Keep your knees straight. Hands in line with the shoulders. Now, follow my instructions carefully. Listen to me properly. Turn your right foot to the right side. Very good. Turn your left foot slightly inside. Very good. Can you balance? Very good. Your feet are firmly now on the ground. Now, shift your body weight. Wait, Krisha, let's go step by step. Shift your body weight. Keep your legs straight in knee. To the right side. Very good, everyone. And now go down to the sides. Make sure you don't go forward.
Miss, I have to remove my socks.
What happened, Archie?
Miss, I have to remove my socks because I'm slipping.
And then raise your arm up.
Even I need to remove my socks.
Yeah, the legs are slipping, right, with the socks?
Yeah.
Very good. You are doing really good triangle pose today. Okay, and change. Raise your hands up. Now, step by step. Wait. Turn your right foot inside again. Which okay. And now, turn your left foot to the left side. Turn your right foot slightly inside. Balance well. Now, bring your hands to the shoulder level. Everyone together. Come on. Now, shift your body weight slowly to the left first. Then go down. And raise your right arm up. Breathe in the asana. Very good. Open your right chest. You can look forward to the screen or you can look up to the right hand. And slowly bring your hands to the shoulder level. And let's jump.
Mataji.
Good job, everyone. Okay.
Mataji.
Yes?
Can we do one in the behalf of everyone?
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, Mataji, can we do one pose in the behalf of everyone?
On behalf of everyone. Okay, everybody wants to do more poses today. Who wants to do one more pose from the card?
Card, red card, red card.
Everyone. Amazing. Okay. So on behalf of in fact, we do have some more friends who have not put their videos on. They all are big children, you know, who are learning, who will be your teachers very soon, who will also come and teach you some yoga. So on all the yoga teachers who are there now, watching all of you and me, on their behalf, let's choose one card.
Ma'am, partner pose.
Again, the favorite pose, but do you want a card pose or a favorite pose?
Card pose. Card pose.
Card pose. So let's wait for the card. Again, the favorite pose. It's your day, guys, today.
Ma'am, can we do one
your day.
Partner pose?
Only,
Ma'am,
green card.
Ma'am, can we do any partner pose?
Okay, we got finally some green card. Let's choose a pose in the green. Oh, I've got one more new interesting pose that we've never done before. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this pose too. Side reclining pose. We also call this pose as the Vishnu pose. The Lord Vishnu sleeps like this. Have you ever seen? Look at that. Look at that smiling, nice pose, right? Let's do this pose.
Ma'am, can we do some partner pose?
Partner pose. Maybe next week now. We will again have a spinner every week with us. Don't worry. Okay, I'm going to show you this pose step by step. So now you have to lie down on one side. So let's start with the right side. So you all can go to your right side.
And do we do it like this?
Hold your head with your right palm. Like this. Hold your leg. The upper leg. The left leg. And wherever hold, you can hold your yoga mat. You can hold your thigh. You can hold your ankle.
Do we do it like this, ma'am? Ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am. Do you do it like this?
Yes, you're doing good. Ideally, try to keep your knees straight, but that's okay if it's not happening today. Very good, Krishna. Now change the side. Do it with the other side too. Now turn to the left side and lift your right leg up. As much, doesn't matter. We're not looking for the perfect pose. We want to enjoy in the pose, isn't it? Very good. Very good, Harini. Very good, Samita. Very good, Rukmini. Anya, very nice. Archie, very good. Okay, release and relax. Nice. You all did the yoga spinner just so fantastic. You did so many new variations of poses in such a wonderful way. My applause to all of you for a wonderful poses that you all tried today. Very nice, everyone. Amazing. So now we're going to do some breathing. Okay?
One last partner pose, please.
No, next week now. You know what? Only poses are not part of our...
Ma'am, can we do tomorrow?
Oh yeah, tomorrow. Yes, definitely. We are again meeting tomorrow. If you all want, we can continue with spinner. We have so many poses still left.
Tomorrow. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so for now, I have some technical issues. I'm not able to hear you all. Just to give you something important, you do type it if you want to say something. just because I'm not able to hear you. I've anyways muted you all. Now let's do some Brahmari. Do you remember the Brahmari breathing? The sound of a humming bee? Remember, once upon a time, our bee was traveling everywhere in the room, smelling all the flowers. Do you remember the standing humming bee? But today, since we did so many poses, the bee is very tired. So now bee is going to sit on the mat and do some humming just to relax and enjoy. Okay? So sit in Vajrasana or Padmasana or any cross-leg position. But very important to keep your back straight. Come on, everyone. Keeping your back straight. Roll your shoulders and bring them down to open your chest. Very good. Close your eyes. You may want to now close your ears as well with your pointer finger. And now you can start few rounds of Brahmari. We will do it together. Now, again, if your eyes are open, now again, time to close them and hear to your humming. Breathe in and by breathing out, humming. Okay, slowly bring your hands down. Very nice. Now, you want to go today again on a magic carpet ride, or you just want to lie down in Shavasana and don't go anywhere? Are you tired?
Magic carpet.
You want to go on the magic carpet ride? Say yes.
Yes.
Say thumbs up if you want to go.
Yes!
Everyone wants to go every week on the magic. So many places you want to explore.
Yes!
Okay, so lie down on your back in Shavasana with your legs apart, arms away from the body. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed throughout. Since you have to observe everything that you see from your ride on the carpet. So close your eyes. Visualize the floor where you are sleeping right now in Shavasana. Now, as you breathe in and out deeply and fully, you become lighter and lighter, like a feather. Visualize yourself as light as feather. You are so light with your breath that as if your body is floating in the air. Imagine your body is floating in the air. Now your magic yoga mat lifts up from the floor and finds its way out from your window. Now your yoga mat goes up above your own house. You can see your house, the park around it, the road, everything that is around your house. You're able to see from the top. As your mat goes higher and higher, you see the trees, the bird's nest. Now you go higher and higher, and now you're a neighbor with the billowy soft clouds. You can touch the clouds, you can see them. They are all floating around you as you keep flying ahead on your magic yoga mat. And now you tell your mat the place where you want to go. And your mat takes you to that place. And slowly you land on the place where you always want to be after your yoga class. Now you're at the place where you wish to be. It can be anything. It can be some place of your friend, your relatives, your parents, your friends. Now you still lie down and see everything that you see on that place. Every people, everybody that you meet there. You are so happy, relaxed, and joyous to be at the place where you always wanted to be on your ride. You spend a lot of time there enjoying yourself, and you're so happy and satisfied now. And now slowly now you sit back on your mat from that place. Your mat lifts up again. You again start floating along with the soft and nice cotton clouds. You are so happy, satisfied to be at that place. You are smiling throughout your ride back to your home. Now slowly again, your magic mat enters through the window. And you come back on the same place where you started your ride. And as you come back, you have a smile on your face. You're very happy and joyous as you went to your favorite place. And now very slowly, you can bring your legs together. You may as well want to move your fingers and toes first, slowly waking up your body again after a nice ride. You may want to stretch your arms up above over your head. Give a nice long stretch. Ah, that was such a nice ride. And slowly coming up to a seated position. And do you remember where did you go?
Yes, Mataji.
Anya, where did you go?
Mataji, I went somewhere there where
Anya,
I didn't want to go.
Wait, I'll first ask Anya.
I went to my mama mommy's house.
You went to your mama mommy's house. Nice. Yes, Archie, where did you go?
Yes, I went somewhere where I didn't want to go.
Where you?
I went somewhere where I didn't want to go.
Then why did you go there?
I don't know.
See, that's where our mind sometimes can also give us the thoughts which we don't want. So that's what happened with Archie today, and it happens with all of us. Sometimes we don't want to think something, but we end up thinking about it. So Archie, where did you go, and where did you did not wanted to go? Which was that place?
Miss, first I wanted to go to the ocean and play with the sharks and jellyfish. I was in the ocean and I was playing with the sharks and jellyfish, but I don't know, somehow I went to a room and I was playing with my friend.
Okay, not bad either. Nice. Prisha, where did you go?
I went to Gardens by the Bay and I smelled some flowers and I plucked some flowers and I brought them back home. So I have to leave the meeting.
Very nice. Thank you, Prisha.
I need to leave the meeting.
Yes, thank you, Prisha. See you tomorrow. Samita? Where did you go, Samita?
Mataji, I went to garden.
You also went to garden. Prisha also went to garden. Everybody's missing garden a lot. Thank you. Ananya, where did you go?
Ma'am, I went to Beijing and I didn't want to go there like Prisha.
Today, all of you went here and there. Never wanted to go, but ended up going somewhere. See, that's our mind. Harini, where did you go?
Yes,
Mataji, I became smaller and smaller and smaller, Mataji. And then, like, when I saw the tube light, it seemed like a big, big sun. And then the breeze took me and it blowed me, and I fell in a snowy place, snowy area.
Interesting. Very nice.
Mataji, I drew this drawing last week.
Oh, wonderful. That's a nice Varli drawing. Amazing.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much for sharing with us. It's beautiful. Okay, anybody else wants to share? Where did they go? Yes, Anya?
I already told.
No, another Anya. We have two Anyas in the class. Yes, Anya.
I went to gardens too.
Today is a garden day. Everybody's going to garden or to the place where they never wanted to go. Okay, great. Thank you. Anybody else wants to share? Okay, then. So now we have who's, Samita, I think. Samita, are you there? I think Samita left. So, okay, who wants to end the class? Harini, you're going to end the class today with 3 Omkars.
Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
So everyone, close your eyes. Keep your back straight.
Padmasana.
Take Dhyana Mudra with your hands and start.
Om.
And we rub your palms together. Feeling the warmth of your palms on your face. And slowly bring your hands down. Thank you so much for joining in today. I'm going to see you all tomorrow again. Let me know tomorrow which game or what yoga you want to do.
Tomorrow can we do more partner poses?
What we can do? Hard poses?
Partner poses.
Partner poses, sure. We'll do partner poses tomorrow and bring your parents along. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, everyone. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.